Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to sort replies on a Bluesky app. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply open up the Bluesky application into your device, and now make sure to sign in into your account. And after that, just simply go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen, or the hamburger icon. And now from here, just simply go to the settings over here. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and go for the content and media over here. And now from here, in order for you to sort your replies, you can just simply go for the thread preferences over here. And now at the very top, you should be able to see sort replies, and you will have multiple options. You can go for hot replies first, oldest replies, newest, most like, and random. So pretty much it will be depending on you guys. And from here, once you have selected your preferences, you should be able to sort your replies on Blue Sky. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.